Hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. And this video is in the continuation of the previous video. So basically this is the part 2 of the video titled as Working with Lists in Python. So in the previous video I had created one list with single element. Now I will create a list with numbers only. Say name of the list is numbers and I want to store 5 numbers 1 2 3 4 5. So basically this is a list of numbers, so we can print the values of the list as well as its list as well as list type. So numbers. Now I will create a list with characters only, alphabets, list with alphabets. Say fruits, name of the list is fruits. So apple, mango, banana, these are the list elements. Say fruits. So you can see that the type of the object is list. So now I will create a mixed list. So mixed list. So mix list. Say so basically this is a mixed list example. So this is the first method to create list. I will give one example. Creating a list using list constructor, the second method of creating lists. So this time I have an object, say I have numbers or nums, and this is a tuple basically. Now I want to convert this tuple into a list, so we can do using the list constructor. Say nums underscore list. So I'll be calling my list function and I will pass my nums and I will print nums list and type, its type also. So you can see that I am successfully able to convert a tuple into a list. So this is where the second method can be used. So thank you very much for this.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number